Hi, welcome to Let's Learn and Entertain channel. So today we are going to see the topic is how to stop startup application which is running while booting up the laptop or computer. So all most of the people will face this problem like while booting up the computer Windows will get unwanted application will open up in the window. So what will happen, it will extend the booting time, so it will make system also PC also slow. So I am going to give one settings which is available in the Windows, so that will manage the startup program. So for that you can go to start and you can type startup. So the search you can type startup, then you will get startup application. So in that you can enable what are the application you need to enable, and what are the application you need to disable while Windows is booting up. So mostly you can disable all the services or applications. So whatever you record mostly is some audio related things like driver, audio driver and all. Apart from that, if you have any antivirus software, you can enable that one. Apart from that, you can disable whatever application running in the booting up. So this is a Microsoft team. While I'm booting up the computer, while starting the Windows, Microsoft team will automatically open. Now I switch off that. So once it's done, you can restart, then only it will affect. So you can try that. If you have any query in that, please put those in comments. I will try to resolve that. And apart from that, you can type run, and you can click run, and in that you can type ms config. So it will open on window. In that startup will be there. So you can open that, and here also you can able to disable the application. So in Windows 10 it will be you have to do it in ms config, and sorry, in Windows 10 you can do it in startup itself. So other Windows older version you can use ms config. So here startup you can go there, and you can right click enable if you want to enable that application. So if you want to disable some application, you can right click and disable. So that's it. So this is a second method to disable, to stop the application while Windows is starting. So if you close that, after restarting that, those configuration will affect. So this is a useful tips for speed up the booting time, and laptop also become work fast. So try that. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe if you didn't subscribe till now. Thank you.